Back to another video. I'm your host Auntie G. We picked up another vehicle from the Copart auction. So we have the 2013 Infiniti JX model 35. This is the V6 3.5. The same engine as the Nissan Pathfinder, almost the same model as the Nissan Pathfinder. It comes with the alloy max 17 inches. Also we get the brand new tires, almost brand new. We have the silver trim on the body. Absolutely no rust on the vehicle, which is surprising for a vehicle for 2013, especially these models. And also we live in Canada, so you have to bear it in mind. Lots of cars gets rusted over here in this like North American region. We get lots of snow, cold weather. So basically you have to do anti-rust on your vehicle to keep it fresh. The trunk, let's open the trunk. It's electric, so it opens by itself. These cars, they're known for lots of issues they have, especially the CVT transmission. You have to keep in mind before buying these vehicles. This is a 7-passenger. You get the 2 in the back, 3 in the middle, 2 in the front. This is nothing serious. You guys see the car? There's no damages, nothing to the vehicle, because we had to repair the car and do some cosmetic works on the vehicle. I'm gonna post the photos of the vehicle once we got the vehicle. I mean the photos of the Copart. I'm gonna post it on this video so you guys can see before and after of the vehicle and how much work we put on the vehicle to try to make it look nice and sellable. So let's go take a look inside the car. As for the inside of the vehicle, you get the heated seats. Also you get the leather option here, very comfortable. The leather steering wheel. Get the display here. The basic options, the heater, the AC. So let's start up the car. These cars, as I told in the beginning of the video, they are CVT transmission, so you guys have to watch out always before buying these cars. The mileage on this car is very low. It's 85,000 kilometers on it only, but still at 85,000 kilometers you still have to watch out for these transmission issues. So here, let's see, it's still cold in Canada in this month. It feels like, let's see, almost 4 degrees. Vehicle, we had to do a inspection for the customer, a pre-inspection purchase, because the customer really wanted it bad. And then the report of the inspection came out saying we had to change the shock on the right side, also the subframe. So we took it to the mechanic, we put it up the lift, and we take a look at the subframe, because the mileage is very low. As you can see, like 80,000 kilometers is very low for a 2013 car. And also I have to say it's verified kilometers. So we went to the mechanics, we took a look at the subframe, and we found out the subframe is completely rusted on this vehicle. There was holes and it was very bad condition. So you cannot really rely on the kilometers. You have to do a complete inspection to make sure the vehicle is in good condition. So basically we had to change the shocks, we had to change the subframe, and it's costly in these vehicles, especially if it's an Infiniti. Did it anyway for the customer so they can be satisfied with their purchase. We only sell good cars, so we don't want any troubles, customers going coming back. So let's take a look at around the vehicle once more. Get the hitch over here. I'm pretty sure the tires are right over here. Yeah, you see some rust on the mags of the spare tires, but that's no big deal. Let's take a look on the engine of the vehicle again. It's a V6, almost 300 horsepower. Okay, very clean, very nice. The Infiniti badge gives it that more luxurious impression. I mean, this is the same engine as a Nissan Pathfinder. It's just a logo that's different, and the engine cover. Everything else is the same, the parts, everything. The car is already sold. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys that this was a successful purchase from Copart again. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and comment if you like. And wait for the next one. See you guys.